guys, I am an octopus. I can change the color of my body. My tentacles are very flexible, for them I have 18 pieces. I'm very smart and I can dream. Hi, I am a cat. My mouth is on my stomach. I have no bones. I can jump out of the water a few meters. I have a strong jaw. I can split the shells. Bye. Hi, I am a dog. I can distinguish between people's emotions. I have a great scent. I am a faithful and devoted friend. Bye. Hi, I am a radish. I am a relative of a turnip, of cabbage, and even mustard. You can grow me up at home all year around.